This is a quick video to show you how to create a questionnaire using Office 365, which is available to you for free as students of the university from the UE Softwares page. Having downloaded it and opened it up, you can click on the icon here, drop down to where it says Forms, and then create a new form. Add a question, and you'll see it gives you various types of question types. So you've got choice for multiple choice, text for your qualitative questions, ratings if you want to use something like a Likert scale. And in fact, if you want to use a Likert scale, you've got the options here at the end, which you can open up. Now, if we go back and say choice, you have obviously the question box, options 1 or 2, which you can leave as yes, no if you're doing with that kind of answer. Alternatively, you can add another option, or as many as you need. Now, if you're going for multiple answers, you need to change the settings, and if you want the question definitely answered, you also need to force this. If you put this across for required, it means they have to answer the question, otherwise they cannot proceed to the next one. If you're leaving it as an optional answer, then leave it unchecked like that. Now, going on in style, going to text. This is the one you'll use for qualitative. Again, put your question in here. Leave the answer box obviously for them to put their in, and if you're saying long answer, if I can get this to work, you need to check it, and again, if you want it to be required, set the checkbox. Add a question, go to rating. Here you can use it if you wish to set up a Likert type scale. You can also put in subtitles if you wish, but again, you need to put it across to say that it's required. Now, when you've completed all that, and you've got your questionnaire set up in the way that you like, go to Share, click on that, and you'll see you have got the website address for your questionnaire only. So if you copy that, you can then send it out, or alternatively, you can highlight the whole thing, copy it that way, and embed it into your social media page, be it Facebook, Twitter, or whatever, and then send it out via that to the people that you hope are going to respond to your questionnaire. And that's it.